Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It is a transformative practice, a superpower that can elevate your mind, body, relationships, and even the collective energy of humanity. Science, spirituality, and psychology all agree. Gratitude is a powerful force that reshapes our perception of life. Step 1. Understanding gratitude. Gratitude is the conscious acknowledgement of the good in our lives. It shifts focus from scarcity to abundance, from fear to appreciation, from negativity to positivity. It is a lens that changes how we experience reality moment by moment. Step 2. The personal impact of gratitude. Practicing gratitude rewires the brain. Studies show that daily gratitude increases dopamine and serotonin, the feel-good chemicals. It reduces stress, lowers anxiety, boosts immunity, improves sleep, and enhances overall well-being. Your mind becomes clearer, your heart lighter, and your energy more vibrant. Step 3. Gratitude and emotional resilience. Grateful people recover faster from challenges. By acknowledging what is working in life, even amid difficulties, we cultivate optimism and hope. Gratitude transforms obstacles into lessons, setbacks into growth opportunities, and fear into courage. Step 4. Gratitude in relationships. Expressing gratitude strengthens bonds. When you acknowledge and appreciate the people around you, family, friends, colleagues, you create trust, warmth, and empathy. Relationships flourish, conflicts diminish, and cooperation and harmony become the natural state. Step 5. Gratitude as energy. Gratitude is not just an emotion, it is a vibration. The energy of thankfulness resonates outward, affecting the people and environment around you. Just as love spreads, gratitude sends ripples of positivity, influencing collective consciousness in ways that science is beginning to measure. Step 6. Collective effect of gratitude. Research in social psychology and group behavior shows that communities and workplaces practicing gratitude experience higher morale, stronger collaboration, reduced conflict, and greater overall well-being. When individuals raise their frequency with gratitude, it contributes to a higher collective vibration. Step 7. Daily gratitude practices. Practical steps to harness this superpower include keeping a gratitude journal, writing 3-5 things you are thankful for daily. Expressing thanks to people around you genuinely. Meditating on gratitude, visualizing the positive energy spreading outward. Practicing appreciation for small moments, sunsets, a smile, a meal, nature. Step 8. Gratitude in challenges. Even in adversity, gratitude can transform perspective. Finding silver linings or lessons shifts focus from victimhood to empowerment. This practice increases resilience, encourages problem solving, and strengthens emotional intelligence. Step 9. Gratitude and health. Scientific studies reveal measurable effects: lower blood pressure, improved heart health, better immune response, and reduced inflammation. Gratitude literally changes your body chemistry for the better. Step 10. Gratitude and spiritual growth. Spiritual traditions across the world, from Vedas to Buddhism, Christianity to native teachings, emphasize gratitude as a key to awakening. It opens the heart, aligns with divine flow, and enhances connection with higher consciousness. Step 11. Ripple effect of collective gratitude. Imagine communities, organizations, or even nations where gratitude is practiced consciously. The collective frequency rises, conflicts reduce, cooperation increases, and overall well-being improves. Gratitude amplifies when shared, creating measurable positive impact in society. Step 12. Living with gratitude daily. Gratitude becomes a lifestyle, not just an occasional practice. Begin and end each day acknowledging blessings. Pause during the day to recognize small moments of joy, acts of kindness, and opportunities for growth. Gratitude becomes a lens through which every experience is transformed. Step 13. Inspiring others through gratitude. Your gratitude inspires others. Sharing appreciation, acknowledging help, or celebrating others' achievements spreads energy outward. One act of gratitude can ripple through families, communities, and workplaces, uplifting collective consciousness. Step 14. Measuring the impact. Researchers measure gratitude's effects through psychological well-being scores, heart rate variability, stress hormone levels, and social cohesion indices. Results consistently show that gratitude strengthens individual health and collective harmony. Step 15. The ultimate superpower. Gratitude is a superpower because it is simple, free, and available to everyone. It transforms life instantly, enhancing health, deepening relationships, elevating consciousness, and contributing to collective well-being. Each expression of gratitude, no matter how small, helps humanity vibrate higher. So today, practice gratitude consciously. Write it, speak it, feel it, and share it. Watch how it transforms your life, your relationships, and the world around you. Gratitude is not just an emotion, it is a ripple, a vibration, and a superpower that shapes the destiny of humanity. The more we practice gratitude individually and collectively, the closer we come to a world of love, harmony, and higher consciousness. It is the simplest yet most profound path to personal and global transformation.